Welcome to the Rapid Tech Talk. My name is Brad Gilroy, and I'm one of the co-inventors of the Rapid software solution, as well as the principal investigator for this SBIR. TwoCircle is a veteran-owned small business incorporated in 2011 that now includes approximately 150 employees, most of which have prior military experience in either the Navy, Marine Corps, or Air Force. We pride ourselves as being recognized experts in both the technical and tactical arenas. Our background gives us the credibility to work alongside the warfighter and identify the challenges that they face. At the same time, we work closely with the engineers and policymakers to identify the latest advancements in technology. This understanding of both the human and the machine helps to identify the right solutions for mission-critical problems. Over the last 6 years, the Fleet Support Division of TwoCircle has been working closely with stakeholders from across the naval aviation enterprise to develop a new methodology for analyzing and assessing combat readiness. This new methodology revolutionizes the way that readiness data is collected and used. Our team of approximately 24 former Top Gun and Havoc instructors have been embedded with every carrier air wing since 2015 as they progress through the workup cycle and preparation for deployment. That team collects data on the mission outcomes, the performance of aircrew at the individual skill level, as well as performance on aircraft systems, to paint a complete picture that transforms the way that Navy and Marine Corps make training and resourcing decisions. The fidelity of the data that's collected is unprecedented in tactical aviation and can be used to inform many critical decisions from syllabi development and resourcing plans to tactics development and modeling. As a stakeholder or decision maker in today's NAE, you make investment decisions every day that have a direct impact on combat readiness and our ability to win the next war. What's missing is data that quantifies the return on investment for those decisions, traceable to the requirements outlined in the combat O plans. That's what our methodology is designed to provide. Using data, you can see the direct impact that our training and resourcing has on mission outcomes to predict and prescribe better solutions. At the same time, the process alleviates the time-consuming, largely subjective processes that warfighters are currently using to extract learning points during their debrief and self-report their warfighting readiness. The military has never used an approach like this before because it never had the tools required to standardize and implement this type of methodology until now. Up to this point, when aircrew return from an event, they have to access a dozen or more sources of data to reconstruct what occurred, analyze why it occurred, and then assess their performance to determine whether the mission was a success or failure. Each data source provides information that's critical to the debrief, but all of them require training to operate, and very few talk to one another, which means it's incumbent on the aircrew to manually compile the data before it can be analyzed. When this system breaks down, valuable learning points are left on the table, and more importantly, the performance data that aircrew report up the chain of command is inherently flawed. The solution to this problem is Rapid. Rapid is a single common interface for debriefing both live and virtual events that extracts relevant data from all available sources, presents it to the aircrew in an easily digestible format, and then logically walks those aircrew through the process TwoCircle developed for analyzing readiness. In short, Rapid takes our process, the same one that's already been verified and validated for use by the Navy and Marine Corps, the same one that's already proven to produce reliable results, and puts it directly in the hands of the aircrew in an automated toolset. Our transition partner for the SBIR is PMA 281, the Navy's Strike Planning and Execution Systems Program Office. PMA 281 has already authorized Rapid for use as a standalone application on the currently fielded mission planning environments. They're also evaluating Rapid for inclusion with the follow-on to JUMPS, the next generation mission planning system, where Rapid benefits from machine-to-machine transfer of data in a fully networked environment. During mission planning prior to an event, Rapid collects data on the mission, the threats, the aircrew, and the aircraft that will be flying, and runs predictive and prescriptive analysis to guide aircrew game plan development. During the live event, instructors, safety officers, observers, and analysts can use Rapid to collect data real-time to inform training decisions. After the event is complete, data from the range, aircraft, adversaries, and more are imported into Rapid using simple drag-and-drop logic. That data is then parsed and displayed to aircrew in a one-stop shop. The interface is designed to then logically walk the user through the correct methodology for conducting readiness assessment. It doesn't just show the aircrew what happened, which is where most debrief tools stop. Instead, it presents the data and asks questions that help them extract why it happened. Rapid employs a technique we call automated event recognition, which automatically identifies critical points during the flight, such as kill chains, flags them, and then guides the user through the process used to assess his or her execution of that skill, using the same rule sets applied by high-performing instructors, such as the staff at Top Gun. Not only does this streamline the debrief process, making it much more efficient, but it also ensures that readiness data that's collected, stored, and reported is both accurate and standardized. The term big data has been used in both commercial and military applications in reference to the concept of predictive analytics, including data mining, predictive modeling, machine learning, and more. The concepts become prevalent thanks to an overwhelming amount of data from an increasing number of digital sources. While all data can be collected, stored, and analyzed, only some of it is truly relevant. Big data approaches that propose the collection of all data, followed by analysis post-collection to determine relevance, attack the problem in reverse. A more efficient method involves targeted analysis of the available data to determine relevance first, before developing the collection processes, performance assessment tools, data storage requirements, and reporting methods. This informed approach ensures the analysis is efficient, i.e., streamlines data collection and data storage requirements, as well as effective, focusing on the metrics that are proven to be traceable to the desired outcome. That's exactly what we've done here. In SBIR Phase 1, we incorporated all the knowledge that we've gained over the last 6 years while embedded with the warfighter. Knowledge about the missions, the tactics, the rule sets used to assess performance, the reporting requirements, the training, and much more. We then developed a tool in Rapid that's built to ensure the Navy has everything it needs to make informed training and resourcing decisions. During the SBIR Phase 2 base period, which ended in March of this year, Rapid was developed to meet the needs of a single platform, the F-18, and a single mission set, air warfare. At the start of the Phase 2 option period, however, Rapid was expanded to meet the needs of both the F-35 and the EA-18G communities. In April, Rapid was deployed in an operational environment to collect and report data on CAG-2's Air Wing Fallon exercise. Rapid was used to analyze and assess performance of aircrew on all events flown by Hornets, Growlers, and Lightning IIs. That data was then reported back to NAUTIC and the Air Wing to inform follow-on training and resourcing decisions. Rapid was deployed again in May in support of CAG-9's ARP and EWARP exercises. Of note, similar development efforts are underway with the U.S. Air Force, where a prototype of Rapid has been developed to demonstrate scalability across multiple services. Bottom line, the SBIR has already laid the groundwork and proven Rapid's ability to scale to additional platforms and missions, as well as its ability to support fleet operations. The benefit of Rapid is the data on individual aircrew performance that gets reported to NAE stakeholders, not data that's self-reported by the aircrew who are manually compiling data from multiple disparate sources, but data that's collected in an automated toolset to ensure the accuracy and adherence to standards outlined by guiding policy. Realize that Rapid also improves the quality of the debrief and the feedback provided to the aircrew. By integrating all the data sources into a one-stop shop, Rapid dramatically reduces the amount of time that it takes to review data during the debrief and extract learning points. With the disparate tools that aircrew use today, it takes anywhere from 4 to 6 hours on average to conduct an integrated debrief. With Rapid, that's cut down to approximately 1 hour, and the quality of the training experience in that hour is significantly improved because Rapid is walking the user through the data to ensure that all learning points are extracted. While the quality of the debrief is going up, the time it takes to debrief is reduced by up to 5 hours. That's 5 hours that aircrew now have available to hit the books or hop in a simulator to remediate poor performance and the skills that Rapid helped them identify before the next flight. The biggest advocates for Rapid so far have been the warfighters who have seen our team in action and know what the data is capable of providing. Independent third-party validation of Rapid by the data collectors and analysts who apply this methodology is ongoing. Rapid is currently being used in conjunction with a pilot project to support analysis of F-18 Fleet Replacement Squadron training at VFA 106. We also expect Rapid to be used later this year in support of CAG-7's workup cycle. Moving forward, we acknowledge that Top Gun sets the standards for training and evaluation in the strike fighter community. Working alongside them in support of their IUT events would provide the ultimate testbed for Rapid before instantiating the software across all fleet training events. As we transition to other platforms and missions, we're looking for other advocates in those communities to guide and shape the tool to meet their needs. This includes the schoolhouses for each platform, other branches of the military, and even industry partners both inside and outside the DoD. Because we fight as an integrated force, it's important that we provide a tool that allows end users from different communities to work together. F-18s need a way to train with F-35s. F-35s need a way to train with Growlers. Aircraft need a way to train with ships and submarines. And Navy Marine Corps assets need a way to train with the Air Force. Rapid provides a single common interface that all of these communities can use to collaborate and train together, as well as report their effectiveness. Although initially designed to address human performance, there is also significant benefit in applying Rapid to various acquisition programs. Rapid can provide immediate feedback on the effectiveness of any system, using data that's collected on the aircrew who fly these systems in combat. This is true even for training systems. One of the biggest hurdles that training systems need to overcome is proving that their simulator or technology provides the same level of fidelity as live training. With Rapid, you can collect data on aircrew performance in a live environment, as well as collect that same data using your new technology and compare the results to validate the effectiveness of your system. Beyond the DoD, the possibilities are endless. In fact, we are currently in the process of developing multiple versions of Rapid that address general aviation, athletic performance, and more. Rapid's path to transition looks well defined in PMA 281. However, alternate paths to transition also exist for interested parties. Options include a partnership between Rapid and the programs that oversee the various sources of data used by aircrew. We also see potential for training and resource sponsors who would benefit greatly from the type of data that Rapid already collects, looking to accelerate the development and implementation of Rapid in order to have access to more data. Data that can be used to track warfighting readiness risk, develop syllabi, set skill performance standards and benchmarks, set skill periodicity requirements, inform acquisition programs, influence manning and resourcing decisions, and even impact individual event game plan development. If interested in learning more about Rapid or accelerating our transition to Phase 3, please don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information, as well as the contact information for my co-inventor, Dave Harris, is listed here. We are also more than willing to provide a demonstration of Rapid if interested. Thank you for your time.